We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing and some of the most mispronounced names from philosophy too. He was a French philosopher. How do you say his name? For reference, in French in France it is said as Alexis, Alexis. Yes, the S is silent here. Do not say Alexis, but rather Alexis. Yes, it's French. De Tocqueville, Tocqueville. Alexis de Tocqueville. It'd be fine in English if you cannot pronounce French very well to say it as Alexis de Tocqueville. Alexis de Tocqueville, from French Alexis de Tocqueville. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from the history of philosophy, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.